In order to change keyboard language on the Realme Note 70T, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, scroll all the way down, and we want to choose System and Update. Then go to Keyboard and Input Method. Now select Manage Keyboards and go to Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this smartphone. Next, you should be able to find languages, so let's go there, and then press Add Keyboard. After that, you can choose the language that should be added to the keyboard. So let's say I'm going to choose English. Let's actually try to find it. You can also use the search over here. So I'm going to quickly type English over here. And we also have different regions for this language. So let's go ahead and choose US, for example. We can also choose whichever layout you want to use. Maybe instead of the United States, I'm going to use, let's say, from United Kingdom instead. There we go. And once you choose everything over here, the layout, and whether you want to use multilingual typing or not, you can just press Done in the bottom right corner. And here we have our list of languages. If you want to, you can remove the odd language by tapping on this pen icon over here in the top right corner. And then you can select the box over here and tap on this trash icon. And there we go. You can also change the order as well while editing. So in addition to that, if you wish to use actually 2 languages or more, of course, on your keyboard, then what you can do is you can also tap on this globe icon over here in order to switch between all your languages that you have added on your smartphone. And the currently selected language will be displayed on the spacebar.